900 asteroids lost by scientists. Earth at risk of deadly strike. Where did they go? We know that NASA, ESA, and other astronomical societies, agencies have lists of near-Earth objects they deem could be a risk to Earth. So where did these 900 asteroids that were being tracked go to? More than 900 potentially Earth-shattering asteroids have gone missing in the solar system. This is what lead astronomers have confirmed. This is by Luke Hawker on Express UK. The US-based International Astronomical Union, the IAU, reveals it has lost track of more than 900 near-Earth asteroids following its last official count. Between 2013 and 2016, the IAU's Minor Planet Center, MPC, conducted an extensive search of objects orbiting space. The MPC found a total of 17,030 potential near-Earth asteroids. 17,030. The MPC is funded by leading space agency NASA and is responsible for the identification, the designation, and orbit computation for all measurements of minor planets, comets, and outer irregular natural satellites. Researchers labeled 11% of that, almost 1,900 of them, as initially unconfirmed, meaning that their exact location was not pinned down. Dr. Peter Verres, who led the MPC study, told New Scientist, "We need to act fast. Tomorrow that object could be on the other side of our sky, and nobody really knows where it will be." Near-Earth asteroids can reach up to 3,200 meters wide, and it can stay in orbit for between 10 million and 100 million years. The asteroids are composed of mostly water and dust particles before becoming frozen solid when orbiting cold planets such as Uranus. The deadly asteroids can travel at speeds over 45 miles per hour and form into a solid rock-like structure when traveling through the warmer inner solar system between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The new warning about the threat asteroids comes as teams from NASA in the US and the European Space Agency in Europe, the ESA, outlined plans to protect the planet from asteroid, comet, celestial body impacting our Earth. In other words, it's a type of a planet protection system. Engineers are working to develop a spacecraft to crash into objects destined for Earth. NASA has already started building the Double Asteroid Impact Test, or DART, spacecraft, which is scheduled to launch during the summer of 2021. It's expected to travel at 6.6 kilometers per second and reach its location by September 2022. 2 years later, the European Space Agency plans to carry out its mission called Hydra. That's in order to measure the size and properties of the asteroid particles. Ian Carnelli, responsible for managing Hydra at the European Space Agency, said DART can perform its mission without Hydra. The effect of its impact on the asteroid will be measured using Earth ground-based observatories alone. But flying the two missions together will greatly magnify their overall knowledge return. Hydra will in fact gather essential data to turn this one-off experiment into an asteroid deflection technique applicable to other asteroids. And Hydra will also be the first mission to rendezvous with the binary asteroid system, a mysterious class of objects believed to make up about 15% of all known asteroids. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.